A few months ago, I kept seeing people talk about making money with AI, and honestly, it felt
Uh-huh.
confusing. Some said it's easy, others made it look complicated, so I decided to test one simple idea just to see if I could make even $1 using free AI tools. What happened next was surprising because that small experiment turned into a method that anyone can follow. And today, I'm going to walk you through that exact process, step by step. Step 1. Generate high-quality content. First, open ChatGPT. Now, instead of typing random instructions, we're going to use a structured, high-performance prompt. Paste this. Act as a professional social media content creator and viral copywriter. Create 12 short, emotionally powerful motivational quotes focused on success, money mindset, discipline, and consistency. Requirements. Each quote must be under 15 words. Use simple, relatable language. Add emotional intensity and impact. Make them suitable for Instagram and viral content pages. Avoid cliches and generic phrases. Each quote should feel unique and thought-provoking. Format. Numbered list. Now, generate. Take a moment and actually read the output. You'll notice these don't feel generic. They feel like something people would actually save and share. If needed, refine with make them more bold and psychologically impactful. Step 2. Create professional image prompts. Now, we turn these quotes into scroll-stopping visuals. Go back to ChatGPT and use this improved prompt. Act as an expert AI image prompt engineer. Convert each motivational quote into a highly detailed AI image generation prompt for social media posts. Requirements: style, cinematic, emotional, visually powerful. Include background scene, lighting, mood, and composition. Add modern typography placement suggestion, center, top, minimal, etc. Keep visuals aligned with success, growth, or struggle themes. Use realistic or semi-realistic style. Optimize for Instagram engagement. Output format: quote plus corresponding image prompt. Now generate. What you'll get is not just prompts, but visual storytelling instructions. This is what separates basic content from viral content. Step 3. Generate images using AI. Now, open Whisk AI Flow. Here's the exact process. Copy one image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into the prompt field. Settings to choose: image size 1:1, Instagram posts; quality high; style cinematic/realistic; lighting soft glow or dramatic contrast. Now click Generate. Give it a few seconds. You'll see a professional level image appear, something that normally takes designers hours. Repeat this for multiple quotes. Try slight variations in prompts for better results. This increases your chances of viral visuals. Step 4. Post and monetize strategically. Now, let's turn this into actual income. Create a page on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Choose a clear niche like success mindset, self-discipline, financial growth. Posting strategy: upload 2 to 3 posts daily. Use consistent style. Branding matters. Add simple captions and hashtags. Growth tip: engagement matters more than followers in the beginning. Focus on saving and sharing content. Monetization methods: once your page starts growing, add affiliate links in bio, tools, courses, products. Promote small brands or pages. Sell shoutouts. Redirect traffic to your digital products. Even pages with a few thousand followers can start earning. Conclusion: what makes this powerful isn't just the method, it's how simple it is to start. You don't need to wait for the perfect moment or learn complicated skills. You just need to take one step. Create your first post. Because once you start, you'll realize something important. AI doesn't replace effort, it multiplies it. And if you stay consistent for even a few days, you'll begin to see what's possible. In the next video, I'll show you how to take this further and turn it into a more scalable income system.